22nd April 2025 will be remembered as a tragic day for India. A devastating terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir, claimed the lives of 26 innocent tourists, leaving the nation in deep grief. The horrific news has left countless people heartbroken, including those closest to the region, like popular actress Hina Khan. Hina Khan, who hails from Kashmir, has now broken her silence on the tragedy, sharing her heartfelt anguish and condemning the attack. In an emotional Instagram post, she described the day as a dark day for the entire nation and expressed her sorrow with teary eyes. Condolences, dark day, teary eyes, condemnation, calls of compassion. Nothing means anything if we fail to accept the reality, Hina wrote, visibly shaken by the events that unfolded. In her post, Hina did not just speak of the devastating attack itself, but also condemned the actions of those responsible for it. With deep concern, she expressed her outrage at the heartless and inhumane nature of the perpetrators. The way this attack was conducted by heartless, inhuman, brainwashed terrorists who claim to be Muslims is beyond appalling, Hina continued. I can't imagine if a Muslim was forced to revoke his religion at gunpoint and was killed after anyway. It breaks my heart. Her words were not only a condemnation of the violence but a plea to reject extremism and division. As a Muslim, she took it upon herself to apologize on behalf of her community, urging unity among all Indians. And as a Muslim, I want to apologize to all my fellow Hindus and my fellow Indians, Hina wrote, conveying her sense of collective responsibility. Despite her personal grief, Hina Khan emphasized the need for solidarity and compassion in the face of such tragedy. I am praying for their strength and peace. I condemn it. I reject it. I hate those who did it. Wholeheartedly, absolutely, unconditionally, she added. Hina also took the opportunity to remind everyone that in times of pain, unity is our greatest strength. She called for all Indians, regardless of religion, to reject the forces that seek to divide them. As embarrassed as I am for the act of some Muslims, I pray to my fellow Indians to not alienate all of us. If we end up fighting each other, we would be doing what they want us to do, Hina wrote, urging her fellow countrymen to stay united. Reflecting on the situation in Kashmir, Hina spoke about the changes she has witnessed in her homeland. Despite the hardships, she expressed her belief in a brighter future for the region, especially among the younger generation. I see change. I see faith and loyalty for India in the heart of the young Kashmiri, she shared with optimism. She also called for reconciliation, recalling the harmonious days when Kashmiri Pandits and Muslims lived together as a family. Now it's time we Kashmiris bring back our Kashmir where a Kashmiri Pandit lived like a family with their fellow Kashmiri Muslims. In conclusion, Hina Khan's message was a powerful call for unity. She urged every Indian to put aside politics, divisions, and hate, and come together in solidarity. We must come together as one people, no politics, no divisions, no hate, no matter what. We are Indians first. Jai Hind, she wrote, concluding with a stirring appeal for unity in these testing times. Hina Khan's words have resonated deeply with many, as her heartfelt plea for peace and harmony comes at a time when India faces challenges that demand collective strength and resilience.